friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is good thoughts for school assembly. New thoughts for school students. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Our future is created by what we do today. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Our positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. Dream bigger, do bigger. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. Positivity is the key to happiness. The happiness of our life depends on the quality of our thoughts. Believing in yourself is the first secret in success. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Education is the most powerful weapon which change the world. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up, your day will come. Education is the best investment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos.